Hello, everyone. I'm Samia Almousa, PhD student at Leeds University and a lecturer at Princess Noura University. And today I'm going to present the model that I already adopted and used it in my PhD project. And the presentation title is Validation of CUTAUTS model OER adoption at a Saudi university. So first of all, I'm going to start with the research context and then the purpose of the study, a brief of the literature review, research question, the proposed conceptual framework, and research methodology, finally, the findings. So the research context, the Saudi Arabia or Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has a new vision, 2030, prioritize lifelong learning. And in March 2018, the National E-Learning Center in Saudi Arabia launched Shams, a national Saudi OER platform. So it's recently OER platform. And then in 2018, this Shams winner of OEC award for Open Resources, Tools and Practices Awards for Open Education. OER comments on X, they said, we hope the Shams may serve as a flagship example to inspire the use of OER and collaboration practices in the region generally. So literature review on a global level, OERs and related to have become a hot topic. Limited research on the factors that's influencing academics to use and share of OERs or OERs adoption worldwide. The culture of users plays a vital role in faculty's acceptance and utilization of OERs. There is a need for research on OER's adoption in non-English speaking countries such as Saudi Arabia. And finally, the OER's initiative in the Arabic world is still in its infancy stage. So because of all of these reasons, the idea of research or investigation, the OER adoption in Saudi Arabia became my main interest and to investigate and to become my PhD topic. The purpose of this study, as educators, academics, teachers play the most permanent role in the process of adopting, sharing, and reusing OERs because they are actually the owner of their teaching materials. My PhD thesis aims to empirically identify these factors that affect the Saudi university academics' intention to use to share their teaching materials as OERs, and to examine the moderating impact of culture and other demographic differences, such as age and gender, between on the relationship between those factors, in order to understand why some academics they use OERs while some of them don't use it. Here we can see the conceptual framework that I already adopted. It calls the Unified Theory of Acceptance and Use of Technology by Venkash and his colleague. The acronym of this model is UTAUT. And I added information quality from the literature. Based in the literature, they already tested this variable within this model, as well as I added sharing and 3-dimension of hypothesis cultural dimension. So here we can see the independent variables, whereas on your right, the dependent variables. Information quality, it means an attribute of OERs viewed by academics based on their perception of values, worth, or fitness of the lesson purpose, effort expectancy means the degree of affordances associated with the use of OER based on the perceived of ease of use. Performance expectancy means the extent to which an individual believes the using of OERs will improve their teaching performance. Social influence, it means how the other peers, colleagues that surrounding the academics will influence their perception of OERs either positively or negatively. Facilitating condition, it means the infrastructure of the university, such as the Wi-Fi connectivity, computers, and etc., etc. Here, behavioral intention, it means the immediate predictor to adopt OERs. Actual use, it means actual use and associated behavior of OERs. Sharing means redissemination of teaching materials as OERs under, of course, one of the Creative Commons license in public domain. Here we have uncertainty avoidance, collectivism, power, distance. So 3 dimensions of the culture. I call this developed model cutouts. From culture. UT, the acronym of the model that I already used, Finkash model. S, it's from sharing. So now we will move to the research questions. How do cutouts factors contribute to the adoption and use of OERs by staff in higher education institutions in Saudi Arabia? So I used mixed method. So today I'm going to present the findings of the first stage, which is the questionnaire for academics, and then the second stage, it was the interviews with academics as well, and then the third stage, interviews as well, but with the Shams stakeholders. The participants, as I said, academics and Shams stakeholders. The first stage, the questionnaire, I have a completed 504 survey. I analyzed them using SPSS and Smart PLS, descriptive analysis and structural equilibrium modeling to examine or to test the theoretical model with collected empirical data. So the findings now, it was very interesting. I have a new relationship between information quality and effort expectancy, as well as between the information and social influence. So if the OERs have high level of information quality, despite the academic will use the OERs despite the amount of effort or the negative influence from their colleagues. And here we can see only the age, only one path between information quality and behavior retention that moderated by age. Whereas the gender in the questionnaire findings didn't have any influence, any moderated, and this is opposite to the qualitative findings. Anyway, age influenced or moderated the path between information quality and behavior intention, whereas the uncertainty avoidance moderated 3 paths related to the information quality and the dependent variables. We can see here the collectivism moderated the majority of the paths within the cutouts. Power distance only moderated only 2 paths. In general, cutouts works well with OERs, with the context of OER adoption with the users, as well as with the non-users. However, next time when I want to apply the same model, I prefer to apply it on large sample and on different contexts to see if this will work or valid, like what happened in Saudi context. So Okay, so now I'm about to submit my thesis, and then I already collect the data for from the same academics, but post-COVID. And then next month, I will analyze the data. So I will try to have a comparison between pre and post-COVID to see whether this cutout's valid with the post-COVID data, like with the pre-COVID data. And this is all my presentation. It's 10 and 43 seconds, 10 minutes and 43 seconds. Thank you. And if you have any question, please ask, or you can contact me via email or on my X account. Thank you.